Good morning, Como Park Accelerated Biology students. Mr. Adair here. It is Wednesday morning, and this video is just a quick update to check in with you all. I just went through all of your name tents. I combined classes or periods 1 and periods 4, so all of my Accelerated Biology students are on this Google shared doc, and it was super fun to see what you guys put down. And believe it or not, we do have some similar interests, which is cool. But so if you have not done the name tent, do that. That's one really good way can get to know you ASAP. And the next thing is for you to watch a short video, and it's just kind of introduction to biology, and you can comment on that. Really, this whole first week is just getting you comfortable with your technology, getting your schedule kind of figured out, and solving any problems that you might have. So next week we're going to get into the curriculum a little bit more intensely. So this week is kind of an easy week to ease back into everything. So I hope this message is finding you well. Today is an asynchronous work day, so you guys can just make sure you get all of your loose ends tied up and make sure you do your name tent, watch the video. Period 1, we'll do a Google Meet tomorrow morning. So if you're in my period 1 accelerated biology, tomorrow morning at 10:55, I will send out the link, but it's also in your weekly calendar schedule. And then period 4 biology will meet on Friday. So make sure you familiarize yourself with the schedule and check that out. And that's all I have for you today, and we will be in touch. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.